Sanibona bafethu Vanel. So I'm here to provide feedback regarding i-contract yaTsegofaso Mabasa with the Orlando Pirates. So we all know Tsegofaso Mabasa i-contract yakhe iyaphela kulo June esiya go. So umjida currently he's on loan, uloan kwini na kwi-Stellenbosch. He's playing very good kwi-Stellies right now. Umjida uyawakora amagoli siyawabona. Usathana kora nje against iMamelodi Sundowns. Ekora igoli elibalekile for i-Orlando Pirates ukuthi ke ayisize ikwazi ke ukuthi ke igcine iMamelodi Sundowns ngayiwini i-league kalula. Yabo so asakhona ama games sele for iMamelodi Sundowns na iOrlando Pirates ke bawadlale sobona mase kuphela isizini ukuthi ke iyiphi team ezoyiwina ileague but ke lana ke sikhuluma ngoTsegofaso Mabasa regarding icontract yakhe with iOrlando Pirates. So abantu abaningi bangibuza ukuthi hayibo Vani uMabasa useyi-free agent kanjani akasayinile yini with iOrlando Pirates? Short answer cha bafethu umjida akasiyona i-free agent. Njengoba nje engasiyona i-free agent kodwa ke kusele kancane umjida ke angabi umdlali weOrlando Pirates. Remember ke from January until now sona isikhathi iOrlando Pirates ekubele ibisebenzise ukuthi ke bakwazi ukuthi baxazulule inkinga abanazo kuTumabasa not inkinga bese but ke bakwazi ukuthi ke bayilungise icontract yakhe umjida mhlambe ahlale for another season or another 2 seasons with iOrlando Pirates. Yabo bekuyiOrlando Pirates kuphela i-team ebisengakhuluma naye from uJanuary until uApril, from uMay siya kuJune. Each and every team ekhona ku-Betway Premiership noma ke ama-team akhona la eAfrica asengakhuluma naye umjida ke ahlale nawe phansi kuxoxe regarding i-contract ukuthi ke umjida ngabe uyafuna yini ke ukuyishiya iOrlando Pirates ayojoyina leyo team leyo. Ama-team amaningi asengakwazi ke afike azokhuluma because i-agent yakhe umjida yakhuluma nabo izindaba yasho ukuthi ke umjida regarding yena neOrlando Pirates kusakhona ingxoxo ezikhona but ke ku highly unlikely ukuthi umjida simbone eqhubeka with iOrlando Pirates but ke yena as a player umjida uyafuna ukuqhubeka ahlale kuOrlando Pirates, uyafuna ukuretire kuOrlando Pirates as a legend akwazi ukuthi ke ayibreak leya record leya magoli. Yabo so right now into emshaya kakhulu umjida is because ibhola elidlalwayo right now kuOrlando Pirates akusilona leli ibhola leli elimsuthayo as a striker. He doesn't play ibhola elidlalwa ucoach odlale coach Orlando Pirates currently. So ucoach Abdeslam Wadu is the stumbling block kwi-contracts yabanati yaTsegofaso Mabasa with Orlando Pirates. I will not say umjida ukuthi kunqaba bani na kunqaba uAbdeslam Wadu. Yena as a player uyayifuna igame time. Njoba nje eyifuna igame time, yes bekumele alonwe kwini na kwi-Stellies because he wants igame time. Ngiyazi ayithole igame time kuOrlando Pirates because the type of football Orlando Pirates elidlalayo currently alimsuthi umjida. He looks like lost yabo abantu abaningi bangazi bathi umjida akadlali kahle kanti cha ibhola elidlalwa iPirates currently alimsuthi. Ngokwendaba futhi eziphumile kuthiwa maningi ama-team awufunayo vele uTsegofaso Mabasa kuthiwa Kaizer Chiefs and Mamelodi Sundowns are among the teams that are interested in the striker. And ngokwendaba engisathana ngisizwa uKevin Hunt uyafuna ngempela kumgcina uTsegofaso Mabasa lapho kwi-Stellies. Yabo njengoba nje kuzophela isizini Orlando Pirates kungenzeka ihlale phansi ixoxisane naso iStellies. Yabo so sengaba kuyona Orlando Pirates ukuba ingabe ifuna ukumgcina umjida ngaleso sikhathi esincanyana mase mhlambe ke kufika ama-team azokhuluma mhlambe ke isimdayisa iOrlando Pirates. Mina ngokwami ngangcono lokho mhlambe bam-offerishe unyaka mekufika ama-teams afike sezomthenga. Yabo kungangcono kube kanjalo kunokuthi ke bamdedele mahhala because mwase ubheke nje right now usakwiloni usawumdlali weOrlando Pirates from uMay kuya kuJune. Umjida usengasayina any pre-contract with any team. Yabo usengasayina any pre-contract with any team, usengakwazi axoxe njengoba ngishilo nje ekuqaleni and ke after June umjida ke officially useyi-free agent. Yabo ayikho into esazomthaya with iOrlando Pirates ngokwakhe. Yabo mhlawumbe ke mengekho ama-renewal usengasayina with any team mhlawumbe iOrlando Pirates memdinga isengamgcina after uJune but ke after uJune umjida uzobe sene-freedom ngokwakhe. Yabo so no bafethu akasiyona i-free agent currently uTsegofaso Mabasa but ke there are talks behind the scenes, I can tell you that, and there are teams interested in signing uTsegofaso Mabasa. It's up to Orlando Pirates ukuba ke ingabe yafuna yini ukumgcina, ingabe uAbdeslam Wadu uzoqhamuka with information ezokwazi ke imsuthe uTsegofaso Mabasa, ingabe sizokubona yini lokho asazi. As a Orlando Pirates fan myself, I would like to see Tsegofaso Mabasa continuing playing with the Orlando Pirates. But ke siyazi ke bafethu izinto ke ayihambe ngendlela siyasifise ngayo because umjida he's a complete striker. Yabo usekusele kancane ukuthi ayibreak irecord yamagoli akhona la kuOrlando Pirates. Sekusele nje kancane. So it's up to the management and the board and the technical team ukuthi ke ingabe bayithatha decision yokumbuyisa uMjida yabo angaze abe free agent.